Today's documentary is about Peanut, my dog. She is so cute.
She's so cute. You could just squeeze her, but don't actually.
Yes, because that would choke her.
And then she would die eventually.
Yes.
Anyways, let's get back to the fun part. She is super cute, and what I like about her is because she likes to give kisses, like all the time, like no cap.
Shout out to the camera woman. Shout out to the camera woman. Say shout out to the camera woman.
No cap. She likes to give kisses, like a lot.
Shout out to the camera girl.
I'm the camera girl, but she's doing it for now, so I can be introduced. But this is my dog, Peanut.
She likes to give kisses.
Yep. And she loves you very much.
She loves anybody.
She hopes that she gets to meet you someday and lock her in the basement.
What?
Where she keeps everybody else.
And she's mostly adapted to me.
Yep, but she's also mostly adapted to my daddy. Because we're here all the time.
But I'm only here to visit, so. But she's like crazy around me.
Let me get your mouth. Let me get your mouth, sucker. Here, don't do that. She's in play mode now. She's in play mode now. Ow. She's gonna start scratching me. Yes.
Let me do the ear scratch. She really enjoys ear scratches. I think. Oh, yeah, she does.
But she does not like butt scratches.
She does not like butt scratches.
Like, you can do it like right here, but she can't go like you can't go too far than that. You just gotta go like right here. Yeah. Yeah. I know this video might be cringe, but yeah.
We're just showing a video of her dog. I mean, her dog.
Yeah.
Their dog.
Yeah.
His.
Yeah, my mom doesn't really like Peanut. So.
And then.
That's all for the Tonight Show.
Nice to kiss.
Bye! Ah!